Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your ClickBank affiliate links so you can start to promote that product and you can start to make money. So first you need to go to ClickBank and you need to go ahead and sign up for an account if you haven't already got one. Once you've signed up, you can go and log in. I'm not going to show you how you can sign up because it's just entering in your personal information. So go and log into your account. Now when you first log into your account and it is a fresh account, you will see this. It will tell you like your weekly sales, your daily sales. Now what you need to do to get your affiliate links to a certain product, you need to go ahead up here to Marketplace, and that will take you to the ClickBank Marketplace where you can then find products that you might want to promote. Now, if you look down here, they're going to show you different categories, so you can find products in obviously all of these different categories, or you can go and search for a product if you know the product name here. So I'm going to open up the cooking, food and wine category, and you can see it's separated by more subcategories. Or if you just want to click on the main category, you can do. So now it's going to show you different products that you can promote in the cooking, food and wine category. Now these are filtering by default by rank, but a lot of people will tell you to filter by gravity, because the higher the gravity score, the better it's converting and the more likely you are to make money with it. So with that in mind, you can now obviously go and promote these products. Now the average commission here is how much money you're going to make on average after someone goes and buys the product. So if you wanted to view the product before you promote it, you can just go and open it. And in this instance, it is a keto diet, which we could obviously read and decide if we wanted to promote it or not. But let's say we do. The way we would promote it is by clicking on this button here, which will then open up a new window. It will enter in your username and it will tell you how much commission you're going to earn. In this case, you're going to earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to the product. You can then add a tracking link. So if you're doing Facebook ads or if you're doing different traffic sources, you can add your traffic source here so you can see that in your stats. Then click generate hop links and then ClickBank will give you your unique link. And whenever somebody clicks on this link, it will take them to the sales page of the product. If they go and buy it, you're then going to make some money.